Welcome to our video. Today, we're discussing how to unlock your iPhone, even when you've forgotten your password. Being locked out of your device can be frustrating, but don't worry. We'll walk you through several methods to regain access. First, let's talk about how iPhones are locked. Most commonly, you'll encounter passcodes, Touch ID, and Face ID. Understanding these mechanisms is essential when you need to unlock your device. We've all been there, getting locked out of our iPhones. Whether you've forgotten your passcode after a long break or someone else has changed it without your knowledge, these scenarios can happen to anyone. Our first method is using iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer and launch iTunes. You'll need to select your device and choose Restore. Follow the prompts to reset your iPhone. If you've previously set up Find My iPhone, this method is for you. Log into iCloud, navigate to Find iPhone, and select Erase iPhone. This will wipe your device and remove the lock. For our third method, we will use recovery mode. Turn off your iPhone, then hold down the appropriate button while connecting it to your computer. Once it's in recovery mode, choose Restore. You can also explore third-party software options that assist in unlocking iPhones. However, use these tools with caution as they may have risks associated with them. Once you've unlocked your iPhone, it's crucial to set a new password. Consider backing up your data regularly to prevent future lockouts. Don't forget, maintaining security on your iPhone is vital. Always be cautious not to share your password and keep track of your security settings. To sum it up, we covered multiple methods to unlock your iPhone. Remember these tips so you can maintain access to your device and keep it secure in the future.